Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming the outlet and extension are de-energized. Safety is non-negotiable. Once done, examine the plug for melted plastic, loose screws, or frayed conductors, and take a clear photo so you know which wire goes where. Make sure to have a replacement plug rated for the same voltage and amperage. Using the wrong rating creates fire risk. You'll also prepare your tools now: screwdriver, wire stripper, and multimeter, so you don't interrupt the repair flow. You open the plug housing and loosen the terminal screws to free the conductors. Once exposed, pull back the outer jacket about 1/2 inch so you can work cleanly. Strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation from each conductor. This length ensures good contact without excess exposed copper. Next, twist or lightly tin the strands and insert them fully into their designated terminals: green to ground, neutral to neutral, live to live. Then tighten the screws firmly and ensure there are no stray strands that could. You reassemble the housing and make sure the cable clamp grips the outer jacket so any tug won't stress the terminals. This prevents future failures. Once closed, use a multimeter to check continuity and correct polarity. Then plug in a low-load device like a lamp to confirm stable operation. If you encounter heat, buzzing, intermittent power, or your readings are off, stop using it immediately. Those signs indicate a poor connection. Replace the plug or seek professional repair to avoid fire risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.